Hey guys, Aditya from Tech World. Today we're going to see Tech News episode 2. If you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing and turn on the notification. A new mobile Doji S88 Pro has been launched. It comes with 10,000 mAh and it gives an rugged feeling and very powerful battery. But it is not launched in India. If you want to buy this, you can check in AliExpress. Price may be 15,000 to 20,000 and it runs on Helio P70 processor. Next generation iMac may support Face ID like iPhones. In fact, it might even be found on tvOS devices going forward, according to leaks. Three mobiles has been launched, and first one is Oppo Find X2 and Oppo Find X2 Pro. It runs on Snapdragon 865 processor 5G chipset. It has 120Hz refresh rate and it has 5.7 AMOLED display. The price for this mobile is 65,000. In budget segment, Samsung's A21s, it comes in 6.5-inch HD AMOLED display and has 5000 mAh and primary camera has 48 megapixel. This mobile runs on Exynos 850 and price for this mobile is 6,500 rupees for 4GB variant and 64GB variant. Tecno has launched Tecno Spark. Tecno has given 7-inch, which we not seen in any mobile, which comes with 6000 mAh battery and dual speaker. This mobile runs on Helio P22 processor with 16 megapixel camera. And price for this mobile is 10,000 rupees. PUBG Mobile World League announced PUBG Mobile adding a new tournament to the popular Battle Royale game. It was revealed by Director of Global Exports James Young. The PUBG Mobile World League Season 0 offers a whopping $850,000 prize. The registration for PUBG Mobile Club Open 2020 start from June 24 and the link will be given in description. Maximum 40 teams can be enrolled for PUBG Mobile World League. Realme X3 and X3 Super Zoom launch event in India soon and gonna sell by Flipkart. Realme confirms X3 and X3 Super Zoom will be launched on 25th June. Both mobile runs on Snapdragon 855 Plus. Realme may also launch their wireless charger as well as Realme Wireless Bud Q, according to rumors. We got Nokia 8.3 5G leaks from Amazon Germany website. This mobile comes with 6.3 inch 64 megapixel camera and runs on Snapdragon 765G processor. And this is also an 5G mobile. It comes with side mounted fingerprint. We can expect this mobile launch soon in India. Ryzen going to launch their 3000 XT processor. For this processor, they have announced their launch date. It launches on 7th July 2020. Price will be the same as their before gen processor, but powerful than before generation processor. Redmi new mobile got 3C certification. We can see that mobile comes with 33-watt fast charging support. This mobile will be mostly awaited Redmi CC10. Mostly upcoming Redmi phones will come with 33-watt fast charging only. Xiaomi has launched an instant hot water dispenser, which heats up water in just 4 seconds. This device offers 4 temperature settings including 45 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. There are also 4 different water levels to choose from 120 ml, 250 ml, 360 ml and 500 ml. Qualcomm has launched their new Snapdragon 690 5G chipset, which comes in 9 nanometer. We can use this till 120Hz refresh rate and till 192 megapixel camera. This processor may come with mobiles which will be priced for 15,000. They have officially confirmed which mobiles come first with this chipset. They said Moto and LG phones will first come with this processor. Netflix may be the costliest of all major streaming services in India, but this apparently isn't stopping people from signing up. Based on official data released by Netflix recently, Netflix now has over 2 million subscribers in India alone. Netflix had earlier reported that it had almost 15.8 million subscribers in coronavirus pandemic alone.